Okay, last time our topic is an air pollution. Which type of the air pollution are created? Sources of air pollution we have to discuss in our previous lecture. In today's lecture, we have to study about the water pollution. For on the subject of environmental science and chapter number 2, types of pollution or environmental pollution. The topic we have to cover in this lecture is an water pollution. For this lecture we have to study sources of water pollution definitions, and liquid form, chemical form, solid form and gaseous form are polluted our water. Types of pollutant we have to study in this lecture. Water pollution. Environmental pollution can be defined as any undesirable changes in the physical, chemical, biological characteristics of any component of the environment. Means they have to creating a polluted to our air, water and land, which can causes a harmful effect on various form of our life and property. Pollution definition is given in many more ways. For this paragraph can give the definition about the pollution. Undesirable changes means a working cycle of our environmental, we can change this cycle or our ecosystem by purpose of our requirement through physical, chemical and biological characteristics for any component to our environment. It's a polluted for all part of the earth like as a air, water and land, and we causes a harmful effect on a various forms. It is not defining for a single form, we have to creating a harmful effect. Various form of the harmful effect we have to creating our earth, that are directly affected to all types of the live body and property of the earth. That's called as a pollution. The contamination of the water will undesirable substance which make the unfit uses is term water pollution. Sometimes you have to creating a maximum level of pollution that are not capable to use in all drinking water or residential using of water. That type of the water are completely rejected. Water pollution can be defined as a alteration in physical, chemical and biological characteristics of the water through nature or human activity, making it unsustainable for its design and uses. Some of the water pollution are created by physical changes, chemical changes, biological changes, but it all types of the changes are created by two factor. One factor is a by on nature and another factor is a by on activity of human. There are changing the water quality and create it a polluted. But there is an one thing, if the nature are creating a water polluted, there is a no harmful at a critical level, but our human activity create a water pollution, it's creating a very harmful water. That's type of the water sometimes creating a death of any live bodies because of VO2 using a multiple chemical structure in a water, and then after VO2 rejecting direct to a natural sources of our atmospheric condition or soil or any water sources, that are creating a very harmful effect to our live body plus forest plus our atmosphere and plus VO2 changing our ecosystem. Here is a one picture is given. This image are taken from any river, and some of the polluted water are directly drawn into the river, and that are creating a very dangerous to live body which are living on the river. Here the some image are shown is there. ફીસ આપેલી છે અને અહીંયા જે આપેલું છે એ ડાયલ્યુટેડ મીન્સ આપણે વોટરને પોલ્યુટેડ કરી રહ્યા છીએ. મીન્સ આ બધા કન્ટેન એવા છે કે જે વોટરને પોલ્યુટેડ કરે છે. અને ફીસ છે તો એને માસ્ક પહેરીને ફરવું પડે છે. અત્યારે આપણી કન્ડિશન એવી છે, just we have to wearing a mask to save our life from the coronavirus. So that type of the pollution are created by nature and human. Water pollutant. Which type of the pollutant are active? A pollutant may be defined as any substance present in the environment in such as a concentration that alter the quality of environment and affect the living thing adversely. Or another point we have to say, pollutant is defined as a substance that actually causes a pollution. Pollutant means જે પણ કંઈ મટીરિયલ યુઝ થાય છે, જે પણ કંઈ સોર્સિસ યુઝ થાય છે એની અંદર જે આપણે મિક્સ કરીએ છીએ, મીન્સ લાઈક એઝ એ પ્યોર વોટર, and we have to adding some impurities. That's impurity called as a pollutant. મીન્સ તમે કોઈ અશુદ્ધિઓ ઉમેરો છો, મીન્સ વોટર છે તો વોટરની અંદર થોડી માટી નાખી દે તો માટી લાઈક સોઇલ, that type of the dust are called as a pollutant, and we have to add in our water. This water are created by polluted, that's called as a pollutant. Here is a two image shown in here. The polluted water are directly drawn into the source of our water. This is the black water, means that's called as a coming out from the any industrial or any irrigation system. The most of the water is color is black, and this water are coming out from the any polluted sources and directly drawn into the river or sea. That are creating a dangerous effect in our drinking water. Pollution sources, there is a two type of the pollution sources. One is a point sources and second is a non-point sources. The pollution sources for an water pollution, there is a two point sources and non-point sources. What is the definition for that? The point sources, there are directly discharged to a single point. For an example included, discharge from the sewage treatment plant, injection well and some industrial sources. As point sources, કોઈ પણ water છે after use of our requirement, there are polluted water and we have to reject in atmosphere or any open source of the soil from the one place. That's called as a point sources. એક જ જગ્યાએથી આપણે એને રિજેક્ટ કરીએ છીએ તો એને કહેવાય પોઈન્ટ સોર્સિસ, એને એક જ પ્લેસ પર રિજેક્ટ કરીએ છીએ. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ગીવની છે સેવેજ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ પ્લાન્ટ, injection well and some industrial sources, they all are use the water for its requirement and producing any another product, and then after that polluted water are rejected at the same place for every time, so that is called as a point sources. These sources which can be identified as a single location are called as a point sources. એક જ જગ્યા પર વોટરને ત્યાંથી રિજેક્ટ કરવાનું કન્ટિન્યુ કરશે તો એ આવશે point sources. Example of the point sources: industrial influent, power plant and sewage discharge or etc. Industrial plant use થતા હશે જ્યાં પણ વોટરનું યુઝ કરવામાં આવે છે તો એ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી લોકેશન ચેન્જ નથી કરતી, મીન્સ દે આર ફિક્સ એટ ઇટ્સ લોકેશન and rejecting daily water at same place. That's also called as a point sources. Power plant, there are the also one part of the industrial and sewage discharge. Some of the working plant are continue discharging a polluted water at a same place. If it is the possible to minimize the water pollution from the point sources, if the wastewater is collected and given some treatment before discharge into the water body, it is possible to have to minimize our water pollution from the point sources, but require some water treatment plant. Before we have to rejecting water in any place, we have to some given treatment and filter the water from the its dust particle, oil particle, or many another solid particle we can remove from the water. And after the treatment or after the filtration process, we can reject this type of the water at the atmosphere. That's creating a less pollution compared to before. So it's a some suggestion for that how to reduce water pollution from the point, sir. We have to using some filter or some water treatment plant and after we discharge. Second point is a pollution sources. There is a non-point sources are diffuse across the broad area and their contamination cannot be traced to a single discharge point. Another point is say that those sources whose location cannot be easily identified are called as a non-point sources. એકને એક જ વસ્તુ છે કે પોલ્યુશન થાય છે થ્રુ વોટર, તો એ જે વોટરથી પોલ્યુશન થાય છે એના કોઈ એક લોકેશન ફિક્સ નથી. મીન્સ મેની મોર પ્લેસીસ આર ગિવિંગ એ સેમ પોલ્યુશન ફ્રોમ ધી ડિફરન્ટ પ્લેસીસ. દેટ્સ કોલ્ડ એઝ એ નોન પોઈન્ટ સોર્સિસ. ઘણી બધી જગ્યાએથી એકને એક જ વસ્તુ કન્ટિન્યુ રિપીટેટિવ એટમોસ્ફિયરમાં રિજેક્ટ થતી હોય છે, પણ એના જે પ્લેસ કહીએ તો ડિફરન્ટ પ્લેસ ઉપરથી થતા. મીન્સ વી કેન નોટ આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ ધ પરફેક્ટ લોકેશન whenever we have to producing water pollution. That's called as a non-point sources. For an example given, excess fertilizers, herbicides and insecticides from agricultural land and residential area. Another is a oil, grease and toxic chemical from the urban runoff and energy production, and sediment from the improperly managed construction site, crop, forest land and eroding stream banks. There is a many more example given from this non-point sources. Means oil, grease, toxic material, agriculture land, fertilizers, construction site. There are also creating a water pollution, but their location are not fixed. They are working a many more location and use by using of the raw water. After the use of this raw water, they are directly rejected to our earth or earth land, and that's are creating a pollution. But the location and place are not fixed. They are working many more location and many more places and creating a water pollution. Types of water pollution on our earth surface. અર્થ સરફેસ ઉપરના કેટલા કેટલા વોટર પોલ્યુશન છે એ જોઈએ. સેવેજ સિસ્ટમ્સ, ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલ ઇન્ફ્લુઅન્સ, સિન્થેટિક ડિટર્જન્ટ, એગ્રોકેમિકલ, ઓઇલ એન્ડ wastage. There are the surface water pollution. We have to study in detail. Domestic sewage refer to wastewater that we discarded from our household. Also referred to a sanitary sewage such as a water contains a wide variety of the dissolved and suspended impurity by using of our soap and detergent, shampoo. There are we have to using cosmetic for our personal uses and highly soap and detergent using for wash our clothes. There are the many chemical content are there, and some of the suspended impurity we have to add in water, and there are the polluted water, and that type of the water we have directly rejected to our irrigation system. And that's all the sewage water are directly rejected to a near city or near a rural area river. નજીકની નદી અથવા તો તળાવ છે તેમાં જે હાઉસ હોલ્ડમાં જે વોટર પોલ્યુટેડ થયું છે એને આપણે ડાયરેક્ટલી રિજેક્ટ કરીએ છીએ. દેર આર ક્રિએટિંગ એ વોટર પોલ્યુશન. It is a large by volume and contains impurities such as organic material and plant nutrition that tend to root. જે ઇમ્પ્યુરિટી આપેલી છે એમાં ઘણા ટાઈપ્સના ઓર્ગેનિક મટીરિયલ પણ અવેલેબલ હોય છે, or plant nutrition, we have to rejecting some food from our house, some of the nutrition we have to rejecting in our water. Their nutrition, some of the chemical content are reacted and create some type of the disease at the microstructure level, and that type of the water are not usable for drinking water. It's a completely rejecting water because of the many more impurity we have to add in our raw water. The main organic material are food and vegetable waste. Organic material means that we have to rejecting our food and vegetable waste. Plant nutrition come out from the chemical soap and washing powder and chemical soap. There are a higher chemical impurities in there. Domestic sewage is also very likely to contain a disease causing a microbes. Some of the bacterial effects are created from this type of the water. Industrial influence, wastewater from the manufacturing or chemical process in industry. ઘણી બધી ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી છે. Industries types for a using of manufacture base, using for an production of power or any maintenance type of industry. Some of the industry are as a use water for an production raw material or final product. At this time the many more types of the gases are diluted in the water. Some of the chemical structure also available in this there. Some of the chemical reaction we have to add it in water, and then after the complete process of our manufacturing process, then after we have to rejecting that's polluted water into the river. These are creating a highly polluted water, and that type of the water we have to directly reject in our river. Industrial waste are usually contain a specific and readily identifiable chemical and compounds. Chemical composition, it's a very dangerous when we have to rejecting polluted water, mainly in the form of toxic waste and organic pollutant. જે ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલ વોટર હશે એમાં ટોક્સિક ફોર્મ હાઈએસ્ટ હશે. મીન્સ એ વોટર એવું છે કે એને કોઈ પણ મેટલ અથવા તો કોઈ પણ ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે એની જોડે મૂકવામાં આવશે તો એ હાઈલી કોરોઝિવ અને હાઈલી ઇરેક્ઝન પ્રોસેસમાં ફાશે, કારણ કે એની અંદર ટોક્સિક વેસ્ટ અને ઓર્ગેનિક પોલ્યુશન હાઈ હશે. લાઇક એઝ એ ક્રોમિયમ, મર્ક્યુરી, લીડ, કોપર એન્ડ કેડમિયમ. That's all types of the metal is a highly toxic metal. અને આ જ બધી વસ્તુ આપણે રિવરની અંદર ડાયરેક્ટલી રિજેક્ટ કરીએ. અહીંયા જે ઇમેજ આપેલું છે there is a one industry, here is a second industry, and this is a residential area laid in the nearby the river, and that's all are creating a water pollution and rejected to a direct of the river or any sea. નદી અને દરિયાનું પાણી ધીમે ધીમે પોલ્યુટ થવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ રાખશે. Because of that we have to not creating a some treatment of the water before we have to rejecting, or not giving any filtration process to remove some contamination from the water. So it's a creating a higher and higher water pollution. Synthetic detergent and oil added because washing cloth and cleaning utensils. Unindustrial water washing added a sulfated and soap to water, toxic to fish and aquatic life. Ocean are polluted by the oil daily basis from the oil spill, routing, shipping, runoff and dumping. Oil spill make up to the 12% of the oil that enters to ocean, and rest come from the shipping, travel, drain and dumping. Here in this the topic synthetic detergent and oil. Detergent means we have to using a soap and detergent powder for use in cleaning our clothing or cleaning our house. Some of the detergent and soap are used by the industry to manufacturing some of the component and parts, and this type of the water are toxic because of the some of the liquid particle, some of the metal particle, solid like as a solid, and some of the gas particle are diluted to directly in water, and the water are create a toxic effect, and this toxic effect are directly affected to our fish that are also a living body in our ecosystem. There are changes it's a life and acquired system of the sea. જેના લીધે ઘણી બધી ફિશ છે એની લાઈફ સ્પેન કહે એ ડાઉન જતી હોય છે. અમુક માછલીઓ છે પરમેનન્ટલી ડિસ્ટ્રોય થતી હોય છે, ઘણી બધી ડેથ થતી હોય છે. પછી ઓઇલ છે તો ઓઇલનું 12% of the oil are enter into the ocean. We have to considering the total percentage of the oil out of 12% are on the ocean. ઓશન ની અંદર 12% ઓઇલ અવેલેબલ છે, અને જે ઓઇલ વોટર જોડે ડાયલ્યુટ નથી થયું, દે આર નોટ મિક્સ વિથ વોટર, એ એની જોડે ઉપર તરતું રહેશે, જેના લીધે પણ એક્વાયર્ડ લાઈફ છે એમાં ડિસ્ટર્બન્સ ઊભું થશે. અને એ ઓઇલ આવે છે ક્યાંથી? તો એ ઓઇલ કમિંગ ફ્રોમ ધી શિપિંગ ટ્રાવેલ, જે દરિયાની અંદર જે શીપ મોટી મોટી શીપ હોય છે રન થતી હોય છે, તો એનું જે રિજેક્ટિંગ વોટર છે એની સાથે સાથે ઓઇલ આવતું હોય છે. ઘણી વખત ઓઇલ ટેન્કર હોય છે એ ડૂબી જતા હોય છે દરિયામાં, તો એના લીધે પણ ઘણું બધું ઓઇલ દરિયામાં ફેલાતું હોય છે. સમ ઓફ ધ ડ્રેન ફ્રોમ ધી ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલ એરિયા, there are also giving a some percentage of the oil in a water, and that oil are not separated from the water and directly reject to a ocean, and that's why the oil percentage of the ocean are increasing. The up to 12% oil are in the ocean. Agriculture runoff. Routine application of the fertilizer and pesticide for agriculture and uncontrolled runoff in the water bodies add nitrogen and phosphorus to water, causes eutrophication and algae blooms. Nitrate concentrate is above permissible level up to 45 ppm in 11 states covering 95 districts and 2 blocks of Delhi. First point is routine application fertilizer and pesticide, agriculture and uncontrolled run in water. જે પેસ્ટિસાઇડ યુઝ કરવામાં આવે છે, ફર્ટિલાઇઝર યુઝ કરવામાં આવે છે, એ ડાયરેક્ટલી વોટરને ઇફેક્ટ કરે છે. because of the we have to using a fertilizer for an urea that's are highly dangerous to our water, and we have to regularly use urea in our farming to grow up our more and more production from the farm. That are creating a very dangerous effect. Some of the pesticide we have to using to giving a maximum production out from the farm. That's end of the process. They are creating a highly pollutions to water. Some of the nitrogen and phosphorus are available in water that are directly affected to a blood. Any type of the living body are living in the river or sea, they are dangerously affect to nitrogen and phosphorus. Some of the eutrophication and algal blooms. Eutrophication means જે ઇમેજ આપેલું છે, ઇમેજની અંદર જે લીલા કલરનો શેવાળ થતો જાય છે એની એક રેન્જ હોય છે, એ રેન્જ વધતી જશે. મીન્સ એ વોટર પણ નથી, શેવાળ પણ નથી, અને there are not any type of the plant. તો એ જે તેનું બ્લૂમ જનરેટ થાય છે, બ્લૂમ એટલે વાદળ જેવું, તો આ જે જનરેટ થયેલા છે ગ્રીન પોર્શન, એ બધા કહેવાય યુટ્રોફિકેશન. યુટ્રોફિકેશનના લીધે ઘણા બધા લાઈવ એનિમલ છે એ ડેડ થતા હોય છે, કારણ કે એની અંદર મેક્સિમમ લેવલના કેમિકલ સ્ટ્રક્ચર અવેલેબલ હોય છે, જેના લીધે જે ઇન લિવિંગ બોડી વિથ વોટર there are directly death. કારણ કે એ લિવિંગ બોડી છે એમને કંઈ ખબર નથી, એ ડાયરેક્ટ આ જે લીલો શેવાળ છે એઝ એ like as a food and they have to gain, and after the chemical process they have to die after some time. તો એના લીધે પણ ઘણું બધું પ્રોસેસ થતી હોય છે, અને જે લિવિંગ બોડી છે એ એક્સપાયર થતા હોય છે, જેને કહેવાય છે યુટ્રોફિકેશન એન્ડ એલેજેક બ્લૂમ. તો આ બ્લૂમ આપણે ઘણી વખત જોઈએ છે, જ્યાં પાણી એક સાથે ભરાયેલું રહે છે એને કહેવાય યુટ્રોફિકેશન્સ. અને એની અંદર જ આ બધી વસ્તુ જોવા મળે છે. જો પાણીનો ફ્લો કન્ટિન્યુ થશે તો આ વસ્તુ જોવા નહીં મળે. ફ્લો કન્ટિન્યુ મીન્સ એક જગ્યા પર ફિક્સ હશે તો આ વસ્તુ વધારે જોવા મળશે. Nitrate concentration allowable permission is only 45 ppm parts per million. 45 parts per million જ હોવું જોઈએ in 11 state. More than 45 ppm are not allowed in water for a nitrate concentration. Groundwater pollution, it is a less comparatively as a soil act and a filter still. ગ્રાઉન્ડ છે એટલું હાઈલી પોલ્યુટેડ નથી બીકોઝ ઓફ દે હેવ ટુ ફિલ્ટર બાય ધી સોઇલ છે દેર ઇઝ અ વન ટાઈપ ઓફ ધી ફિલ્ટર એન્ડ ઇઝ ગીવ ધ ફિલ્ટર વોટર. એટ ધ ટોપ સાઇડ ઓફ ધ વોટર આર વેરી ડર્ટી એન્ડ ધ some of the layer of this soil, and then after we can check the water sources that are a completely pure water because of they are filtered by the soil. Specific tank mining and deep well injection, they are also creating a water pollution. Specific tank means you have to put some of the water storage in a large capacity, and the use by this water, it's also a polluted water. There is some pollution, not on major level. Mining, we have to using a water for mining to remove the dust from the that's a selected area, and this dust are directly absorbed by the water, and this water are rejected to a atmosphere, that's called as a polluted water. Deep well injection, we have to using a very high level bore in the soil, and then after the use of this type of the water also creating a water pollution. Presence heavy metal in a groundwater, because of we have to deep well up to nearby 1000 feet, sometimes we have to creating a 2000 deep well because of we have to gaining a pure water, but the higher deep we have not getting a completely pure water. Some of the level we can get water is a pure, like consider from 0 to 600 feet, that's are giving a drinkable water. More than 600 feet we can deep well, the water our temperature are changed, the higher temperature water we can get from the earth, and some of the impurity available is there, so it's a not a completely pure water. Some of the highly contained solid particle dissolved in the water. More than 1000 feet, it's a not pure water or not drinkable water, and more than 2000 feet, it's a completely rejected water. We cannot use in our domestic purpose. It can be used by industry, but domestic uses that are not possible because of the presence of the heavy metal in a groundwater found in a 40 district from the 13 state. Andhra Pradesh, there is a name given from the state Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, etc. There are the highly presence of heavy metal in the water and the maximum deep level. Arsenic, nitrate and fluoride, this content is very majorly measured by the water at the very deep level. So some of the water we can use from the some depth, more heavily depth we can use that type of the water are not possible because of there is a polluted water. Control of the water pollution, how we can control our water pollution? Treatment of water before leaving water bodies, we have to give some treatment and remove the impurity from that, and then after we have to reject this type of the water. Restoration of the polluted water body, we have to creating a some highly processed, and then after we can use for an reuses. Restoration means we have to remove the all types of the impurity at the maximum level, and then after we can reuse. Ganga action plant, that are the removing some of the solid content particle from the river, and river monitoring system that are giving a minimize the water pollution from the domestic and industrial way. Some control measure influence should be not discharged in the sea or any types of the river because of they are creating a highly pollution. This is the image you have to shown. This portion are very different from the blue color. That's called as a influence. Means some of the solid impurities are available there. That content part called as a toxic part, oil part, grease part, some of the solid part available in there, and they are creating a water pollution. Treatment before the discharge water, give the some treatment to water, and then after we have to discharge water at the atmosphere. Strict law enforcement and regularity drinking in eco-sensitive zone, dumping of toxic and hazardous waste. જે પણ વોટર છે એના માટે સ્ટ્રિક્ટ રૂલ્સ હોવા જોઈએ. એ સ્ટ્રિક્ટ રૂલ્સ કેવા હોવા જોઈએ કે જે ઇકોસિસ્ટમ આપેલી છે એને ઇફેક્ટેડ હાર્મફુલ ના હોવા જોઈએ, અને એ જ એમાં યુઝ થવું જોઈએ. મીન્સ વી હેવ ટુ ગીવ સમ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ ઓફ વોટર એન્ડ ધેન આફ્ટર વી હેવ ટુ રિજેક્ટિંગ વોટર ઇન ધી એટમોસ્ફિયર. મિનિમમ ડેવલપમેન્ટ એક્ટિવિટી ઓન શોર, જે પણ એક્ટિવિટી છે એ ડેવલપ થવી જોઈએ. CRS કોસ્ટલ રેગ્યુલેશન ઝોન, આ જે આપેલું છે એ ઇમેજમાં જે હાઈલી શીપ ટ્રાન્સફર થાય છે એના થ્રુ જે પોલ્યુશન જનરેટ થાય છે, દેન કેન વી હેવ ટુ મિનિમાઇઝ ધ પોલ્યુશન from this type of the travel inside the sea. Okay, thank you.